everyone, is your Snapchat camera not opening, freezing, or showing a black screen? Don't worry, here are the quick fixes you can try. First, you can restart the Snapchat. Close the app immediately and reopen it. Sometimes, a simple restart fixes the issue. Then here, check the app permission. Go to your phone settings and here go to apps and click the Snapchat. Then, after that, tap permissions and make sure that camera and microphone are allowed. And after done checking it, you can also go back to the settings inside the snapshot and scroll down and tap clear cache. And you can restart the app afterward. Or you can also update the Snapchat. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and then check if an update is available. Updates often fix the camera bugs. And if it's still not working, uninstall the Snapchat and reinstall it to reset everything. And that's it. Try these steps and your Snapchat camera should be working again. If the problem continues, it could be a phone issue. So, starting your phone device or updating your system might help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.